Hi everyone, welcome back to Home with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to share a thrift haul with you of some items that I've been collecting from some thrift stores over time. This first cute little tree originally came from IKEA. I really like the white, snowy, wintry look to it. This next one came from Goodwill. I really liked the realistic look on this one, and it looked a lot more expensive than what I paid for it, and seemed like a really good quality piece. I found this little brass bowl at Goodwill. I really liked the shape of it, the color of it, and I loved that it had a bit of aged patina on it as well. Next, I found this little gingerbread house. I couldn't decide what I wanted to do with this one at first. I had thought about completely making it over and turning it into looking like a cookie jar from Pottery Barn, but in the end, I just keep it as is but give it a bit of a different use. Then I found this really nice candle holder from Goodwill. I really liked the color and the style of it. It reminded me of something you might find from the Magnolia collection. Eventually I'm going to get some candles for this and use it on my dining table. Then I found these matching brass decorative pieces with bows on them. They reminded me of some similar trending decor with the bow look to them, so I thought it would be fun to incorporate that into my decor. And last, I found this cute little picture frame from Goodwill. With this frame, I planned on making a dupe for a Magnolia framed art piece. I was inspired by this piece on their website, and when I went to look for a piece of art to put in this frame that would be similar, I found the exact same artwork from a royalty-free public domain website. So I was able to replicate this piece of decor for only $3.50. All I had to pay for was the frame. Then I took this little brass pot and thought it would make the perfect base for a Christmas tree. So I wrapped the white one with some brown craft paper on the bottom of the tree to hide the pot and give it a more earthy tone, and placed it inside the pot. For the gingerbread house, I decided to remove the greenery that came inside of it and added back in my own little sprigs and placed a candle in the center. And now let's get the living room decorated for Christmas.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on, listening to this song playing on. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining.